Extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so. Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses are nicky, wakey, till they were till they hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
What? I fluked it. I fluked it. I fluked it. I fluked it. Oh my god. I fluked it. I fluked it. Is this reality? Is this real? Am I dreaming? No, 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 no. It had to be from like, it had to be from like 65 or like. There's no way I did it from 0. There's no way. No, 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 no. I fluked the level. I fluked the level. I fluked the level. Yes. It's been 2 long years. Genuinely, I don't think I've ever fluked a new hardest in my entire life. Ever since, like, 2 years ago, I started playing GD, I don't think I've ever fluked a new hardest. Not even demons, just straight up any hardest. I couldn't even be, like, back on track without, like, dying to, like, 92 or something. Oh, bro, I can't speak. I can't speak. I can't speak. Bro. Yes! Yes! I beat it, bro. I beat it. 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 That's all I can say. Bro, I need to take a screenshot right now, bro. Oh my, bro, my hands are shaking. I can't even. Oh my god. 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 I thought I was gonna be here for like 3 hours. I was only here for about like what? An hour, 12 minutes ish. Okay. How do I get rid of this? It's not G because that's for the pause button, and I have no hacks. Yeah, top right, you see, it is oh, I need to save the. Hey, puzzle here. My dumbass saved the, you know, what do you call it? The thingamajig. Yeah, the replay before I finished speaking, and well, I was like, you know, I'll just take my like raw footage and then edit out all the unnecessary parts and then just like use that, right? Apparently not, because I can only upload files up to 4 gigabytes without, like, I guess it just going overboard. So I couldn't edit the entire thing because it was like 8 gigabytes large or something. So I just had to use the replay, and now, you know, the entire like 2-minute long monologue about like how the level is and stuff just got like completely wiped, and I am not saying any of that, so just check the description, I guess. Yeah, also here's some funny bonus clips.
What?